I hope you're having a great day. So it's March 1st and I was so excited to start all the seeds, and then I looked at my calendar and I was like, oh, I don't start my snapdragons until March 8th. But I do have a note to cold stratify some Delphinium, and I've watched some videos. I don't even know if you have to do that, but I don't think it would hurt because I do know Delphinium is a perennial here in zone 5, and so it's not going to probably hurt it to get cold. So I think I might actually try doing the method like I did with the Bells of Ireland and put my Delphinium on a wet paper towel, Ziploc baggie, put it in the fridge for a week, take it out, throw it on a heat mat, and see how it does. Now I've seen some other videos where people just put the Delphinium on a wet paper towel in a Ziploc baggie and just put it right on the heat mat. So I might do a test where I do both methods so that I know in the future which one works better or which one's faster. So that's on the agenda, and then I don't really have anything for a few days, and then I have like astilbe, petunias for around my house, not really flower farm related, and Dusty Miller, and there's a few other things coming down the line. So exciting. But in the meantime, there was a project I was wanting to do this winter, but I was always like, oh, the farmhouse is just so cold. And I just wanted to kind of clean up a room. I think I mentioned it last year in one of my videos. I wanted to clean up a room and just have a space where I can do some farm style bouquet making, where you put them in vases or you do the rat vases. But I've never had a really good setup, and I've had quite a few people ask me to show making my arrangements in my bouquets. So I thought, well, I'm gonna try to get one of the rooms of the farmhouse capable of doing that this year. So I did. I had to move a bunch of stuff around. Put some stuff away, make more messes in other rooms by just stuffing stuff in other rooms. And then I cleaned up all the walls the best I could. And then I put a layer of paint on. Because the walls just look really gross and really dingy. I think I'm gonna get a few blackout curtains just because the lighting in that room is really bad. And then I noticed last year the sound in that room is really bad. We currently had put some flooring in our house, and when we took all the furniture out, it was really echoey. So it might just be a matter of getting some stuff into that room to absorb the sound. I know that there's sound panels and all the things that you can buy. I don't want to put a ton of money into it because I'm still saving up for my tractor, but a fresh coat of paint and a few nice things never hurt anyone. I did drill some legs onto that stand because it was really just held up by a cardboard box. So, and I got a tablecloth, like a cheaper tablecloth that I'm going to cover it in just so it's not as distracting on the videos. So I'll show you a little bit of that, and I will continue that project over the next few days. So I'll give you an update when it's all done, and hopefully this year you see me making bouquets in that room. So that's what I've been busy doing this week, and then the seed starting madness should begin soon. If you remember, I did direct sow Delphinium in the field. So I put a ton of seeds in the fall. And just in case those seeds don't take, or they washed away, or birds ate them, or anything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to start 5 trays because I have enough room for 300 Delphinium. And if they don't sell, maybe I can sell them at the farmer's market, or maybe I can find another spot and put them at the farm, because they're a perennial here, and if they start to grow and they multiply and you have a lot of Delphinium, they do bring a good amount per stem, more than a zinnia. They're that spike, and you can get blue and purple, which are much sought after colors for me. I just love those colors in arrangements. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to do some more painting of that room. Now don't get picky on me. This is an old farmhouse. Nobody lives in it. There's things where the drywall probably needs like cut out and replaced. Just different things from being an old house. So I'm not doing all of that. That would be too much. And it's honestly just, it's kind of for my peace of mind. So I thought, you know what? Paint is not that much. It's not going to take that much. I'm not going to do 2 layers or anything. I'm just going to freshen it up and make it look a little nicer, and try to get a room so I can do bouquets. Oh, the sun. It's supposed to be 50 today, guys. It's so exciting. But anyway, I'm going to show you some shots of that. I won't always be walking around and commentating on what I'm doing for the day. I'll start showing more of what I'm actually doing, but I know like painting and cleaning a room and stuff like that aren't real exciting to watch, so I thought I'd get a couple clips of it, throw them in, and then I'll get some clips of starting my Delphinium and throw that in, and then in the future I'll do more videos of showing you what I'm up to. So, but anyway, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Happy March. And I hope I see you in the next one. I think they're impatient. Every day I've been just pulling out anywhere from 30 to 50 zinnias. So that way it's not as big a task later. The ground started softening, so I started pulling them out, and I just pull out a little each day when I walk by with the dogs. They get too bored with me. Otherwise, I will come out here someday and clean it all up. But I thought, you know, if I just do a few a day, it's too wet to like drive down here and pick them up, but I can pull them out and then they'll be ready to pick up. So it'll help, I'm sure. Lisianthus are looking good. Some better than others, but and eucalyptus. I have a few dying back there. I don't know why. And then like this one, but the rest of them look pretty good. They smell good. Bells of Ireland are kind of growing along. I did take the humidity dome off. I'm not sure if I should have done that or not. We will see.